My name's Bryan Avery, and I've been in business for 20-something years in a variety of different aspects in sales and management, and held high-level positions with large corporations. But I always wanted to do something for myself in terms of having my own business, because I always had these ideas and these things and how customers should be treated and how business should be done. And I think the lost art, quite honestly, in all the businesses I've gone to, is the trust factor, and really the sitting down and just discussing your needs. It's too many times people are just too quick to get you in and out, get the mighty dollar, and move on. And at the end of the day, if you're don't have the right product, I mean, how many times you go somewhere and you bought something and you have a regret for it because you didn't know all the details? And then are you ever going to buy from that person again? So that's why I got into this. I got into this because insurance stereotypically can be a scary thing. A lot of people have mistrust, and rightfully so, because there has been things in the past that people have done. So I feel I can make a difference and change it based on how people perceive me, perceive insurance, perceive Allstate, perceive the agency. And that's why I do this. And I look at it the same way. If I do in this business provide for my family, and if I'm not providing for yours, I can't provide for mine. We live in Cape Coral, and we have been here for several years. My wife actually went to Fort Myers High School. Her mom taught there for over 30-something years. So that's what brought us back to this community. And we wanted a place to call home for our kids. We moved a lot in corporation, so we really wanted a place to establish this home, and we love this area, love the community. Really, this is the rock, my wife. She was a big support for me opening this agency, a large sacrifice for her. We, taking everything we had, putting it into the business, investing it in to have a success. For me to kind of realize my dream, she's done a lot of that support. My kids have been a big support. Austin's going to be a senior next year, and Nathan is a freshman right now, be a sophomore next year, both at Ida Baker. Both great kids, totally unique in their own factors and facets. And this is why I do what I do. And this, they're important to me, and I know the people that come in here are going to have the same situation. They have an Austin, they have a Nathan, they have a Carla, just like I do. And that's what I want to make sure. You really should take the time to come in and sit down with us and let us talk to you, whether you buy from us or not, whether you feel like we're the right agency for you or somebody else is the right agency for you. My main concern is, are you getting the right kind of things that you should have? And at the end of the day, I feel like you'll walk out knowing that you have a much better education about what insurance is, what it is not, why it's important, and why you should have it, and why you should have it at certain levels. We're located at the corner of Orange Grove and Hancock Bridge in North Fort Myers, right in the public shopping center. And you can reach us at 239-599-3220. And we'd love to set up an appointment with you and just talk about your needs.